Alright folks, so I don't really know the layout here, but this is the outside entrance. I know there's not much to see out there, but this is if you're coming into the Vogue wing, down the main hallway. First door on the left is automotive. We got the classroom and through the shop, and you can see in here, let me just step in. So we're in the automotive classroom right now. And we've got the overhead garage doors. We're going to head back out here down the hallway to the next door, which is welding. So this is the entrance to the welding classroom. So the classroom itself is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than I had envisioned. I know it's hard to get a view on the camera, but if we head straight out through into the shop, and this is the door, there's no windows in place in the other openings, but here's the welding shop. And right now the drywall is up. They're working on what I believe is the fire suppression system right now. We've got a large overhead door on the outside. I'm just gonna kind of walk across. And the lighting's not great. You can just see my truck out there for scale outside the door, so you get an idea for how big the door is. It's about the same as what we have at our current shop. And the shop is, of course, a whole heck of a lot wider. Turning back around, again, the classroom is behind me. There'll be windows from the classroom into the shop, and this is our stock room. This is where we'll be storing, everything. Your tool kits, tools, welding wire, the whole 9 yards. And it's pretty big. Again, it doesn't look as big. The air compressor that used to be in automotive is in here now, and that'll be fed through to all the shops. But this is a quick look at the welding classroom and the welding shop. A lot of work to be done, but we're getting there. On this side, you can see where all the wires come out. These are for the booth lights, guys. So there'll be a row of booths. There'll be 12 on this side of the shop, and way over there on the other side, you can just see there's 4 more sets of lights and stuff. That'll be the last 4 booths. We'll be over there. So I'm gonna head back around and head on out.